Now, what you've got here is you've got the ampule, and you'll see that there's a blue dot there. Now, underneath that blue dot, you probably can't see it very well, but there's a very thin, fine line on the glass, which is where you're going to snap it. You don't snap it up here where the lines are. Those are irrelevant. You find the blue dot, and just underneath that is where the glass snaps best, because it's been slightly broken finally. So you're going to put your 2 fingers behind the glass, behind the neck of the ampule. Then you're going to put your 2 thumbs at the front. So 2 fingers at the back, and you're breaking around the neck here, around this really thin part of the neck. So all you're going to do is you're just going to pop it, this kind of movement, like you're breaking a twig. Firmly snap. And you'll see that it breaks very nicely. So you hold it firmly like this, fingers behind, and pops open like that. Nice clean break. Yeah, and then you can see it's very easy to take whatever you want out of that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content and tutorials.